Friend, how are you? All are safe? Are you studying? Okay, we have completed first lesson, meanings, new words, opposite, question answers, plural, past tense, etc. Answer the following and little grammar also there. Okay, some sentence making also I have to give. So the first lesson is over. Again from today onwards, I hope you have got it revision, isn't it? Again from the new words, again we are revising. So after revision, first one chapter revision, there will be a small test. Understand? So you have to learn properly, children. While your father or mother giving some work, you have to do properly, sit properly and do the homework. So you have to sit with your parents. What they say, you have to obey, sit with them. Understand? If you won't sit properly, so many portions will come. So you won't be able to get good marks. So what parents say, you have to obey. Understand? So practice your work every day. When father or mother called you, immediately you have to sit and do the work. Understand? Now we can go to the second chapter. Where is Duke? Where is Duke? That is a question. Where is Duke? That is regarding that small chapter. See, here the circle the odd and all that afterwards. Just we have to say the introduction of this story. Understand? See, listen here. Rahul and Anju are sitting in the house. So this, see the picture. Rahul and Anju are sitting in their house. It is raining. So what was there happening? It was raining. So Rahul and Anju was sitting in the house. It is raining and the wind is blowing. Blowing means wind is blowing. Blowing here, it is given air moving with speed. That is called blowing meaning. Understand? Okay. It is raining, the wind is blowing. Close the windows, Rahul. Close the windows, Rahul, says Mrs. Menon. So Mrs. Menon is the mother. So he asked one of the boy, he told Rahul, please close the window because it is raining. You close the door, Anju, and you please close the door also. Anju, he has given a work to Anju, close the door. Then he asked his son to close the window. Mrs. Menon. Mrs. Menon means their mother. Mrs. Menon. Mrs. Honorema Penna. And Menon and wife. That is called Mrs. Menon. You close the doors, Anju. You please close the door, Anju. They will bang and the glass will break. So if you won't, because the wind is blowing, isn't it? So if you won't close it properly, it will bang. Bang ingane kaatadichu ശബ്ദം ഉണ്ടാക്കില്ലേ? അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് പറയുന്നത് ജനലും ഡോറും എല്ലാം അടയ്ക്കാം. ഓരോരുത്തരോടത്തും ഓരോ വർക്ക് കൊടുത്താൽ അമ്മ ഒരു കുട്ടിയുടെ അടുത്ത് പറഞ്ഞ് രാഹുലിൻ്റെ അടുത്ത് പറഞ്ഞ് വിൻഡോ ക്ലോസ് ചെയ്യാം. അഞ്ജുവിൻ്റെ അടുത്ത് പറഞ്ഞ് ഡോർസ് എല്ലാം ക്ലോസ് ചെയ്യാം. അതർവൈസ് അമ്മ എന്ത് പറഞ്ഞ് വാട്ട് ഷീ ടോൾഡ്, അതർവൈസ് ദ വിൻഡോസ് ആൻഡ് ഡോർസ് വിൽ ബാങ് and the glass will break. There is a storm outside. So very big storm outside, says Mrs. Menon. So Mrs. Menon told these two children, a very big storm. So otherwise if you won't close it, it will bang and the windows or doors will break. Mummy, where is our dog? Mummy, where is our dog? Duke. So where is Duke? Here on question they asked, no? So mummy, they were asking to mummy, where is our dog? Duke. So dog name is Duke. Dog name is Duke. He was asking. The children are asking to their mummy. Is he out in the storm? Ask Anju. So Anju was asking to his mother whether he is outside the house. So it is very big storm. Let us see if Duke is hiding, says Rahul. So let me go and see whether Duke is hiding somewhere. എവിടെയെങ്കിലും ഒളിഞ്ഞിരിക്കണമെന്ന് നോക്കാം, says Rahul. Anju and Rahul look for Duke. So they both went look for Duke. And what is the meaning here? Search for someone or something. പെട്ടെന്ന് പോയി സെർച്ച് ചെയ്യുന്നതാണ്. So Anju and Rahul look for Duke. They were searching the Duke because where Duke is hiding, they wanted to see. Anju looks in the kitchen. So Anju gone and went to see the kitchen whether Duke is there. Duke calls Anju. So Anju was calling Duke, calling the name of the dog. Duke. Anju looks in the kitchen. He looks in the kitchen also. Duke calls Rahul also. Both of them are calling the name of the dog. But Duke doesn't come. Duke doesn't come. Mummy, Duke is not there. Duke is not there. Duke is not there. What happened to Duke? Where can he be hiding? Asked Rahul. Then he was asking to his mother also. Where he is hiding? Still we are calling. I called. Anju called. So he didn't give any reply. So where is Duke? Rahul looks for Duke in the dining room. So Anju looks in the kitchen and Rahul is looking in the dining room. But he is not there. So he is not there in the kitchen. Duke is not in the kitchen. Duke is not in the dining room also. Duke is here, says Mrs. Menon. See, immediately Mama found out and she told Duke is here, says Mrs. Menon. So Mama saw Duke is where Duke is hiding. Mama has seen. He is hiding under the bed. So see the picture. The Duke is hiding under the bed. Duke is hiding under the bed. See the children. The Duke is hiding under the bed. So Anju was searching in the kitchen and Rahul was searching in the dining room. But they didn't. The calling also, he didn't give any reply. They were calling Duke, but no reply at all. Then they complained to mother. Here the Duke is not here, mother. Then mother also gone searching. At that time the mother saw he was hiding under the bed. Duke is here, says Mrs. Menon. He is hiding under the bed. He is afraid of storm. So Mama told why he is hiding because he is afraid of storm. Come on Duke. But Duke does not come out. Duke does not come out. He is afraid of storm. He will not come out till the storm stops. So Mama told them he won't come. The children were calling, Duke, come. Why you are hiding under the bed? You come here. The Duke was staying under the bed. He was afraid of the storm. So Mama told he will not come until the storm stops. Understand? This is the story. I hope you all understand. A small short story. Understand? So you have to read and practice. Okay? If you are having any doubt, you can ask me. Okay? Have a nice day. Thank you.